Today I'm going to talk about my extension called LinkedIn Comments Assistant. Now, what it will do is essentially assist you in writing your comments on LinkedIn with maintaining, like while maintaining your tonality as well. Now, once you download this extension from the Play Store, what you can do is you can actually go to details, click on extension option, and this page will open up. Now, what this page will essentially do is it'll ask for your API key, model, let it be ChatGPT 4, tonality, I think Witty works best for me. You can keep any other tonality that you need, and the max length of maximum 15 words would ensure that this does not look like a spammy comment essentially. Then I'll keep this aside for now. You save the settings, and the way you get your API key is you go to platform.openai.com/API keys, and then just create a new key essentially. Call it like comment assistant, and give it all the permissions, create the key. And once you have the key, just copy paste that key here. I already have it. Once you go to now back to LinkedIn, you will see that all your posts have this button called generate comments, right? This basically will give you contextually relevant comments that you can post. So let's say we want to comment on this guy's post, you are a leader, make tough decisions, other can't. So it is actually about leadership. Let's see what it generates. Taking the helm isn't always smooth sailing, is it? So this is again contextualized to the things that he's saying, that being a leader is difficult. And yeah, so you can also regenerate your comment. Just click on it again and it'll pop another one with a witty tone to it. And it is also basically taking into account the title of the user, so it also has context of what he's writing and who the person is essentially. And yeah, it's as simple as that. You can just click copy paste it here, and yeah, here also if you see, everybody's panicking about AI killing SEO. They're dead wrong. So if you look at my comment, this is also sort of aligning with what he's saying here. So that was it. Thank you.